Hi, hello. I'm Dr.K.Poongothai, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Now we are going to discuss about the failure of the product. Before that, we have seen that new product development. Now we are going to see about the product failures. So the product failures comes because of the failure of the product refers to the situation where the product is unable to meet its expectation, sales target, or market goals, leading to its withdrawal from the market. So here, if the customer is not satisfied with the product, automatically the failure of the product will appears over here. So many product enters into the market may not reach the target of the sales or a profit, so that will become a product failure. Here the product failure makes most of the things in that the new substitute, introduction of a new substitute, and the technological innovation, etc., reduce the span of a life of a product. So here general causes that may occurs in the failure of the products are that first one is the inadequate market analysis. Here the inadequate market analysis leads to one product failure. So we have to make an adequate sufficient to the market analysis. So here we are missing that in the inadequate of a market analysis. The second point is product defects. So we have to provide the product to the customer in a full form without any damages or a defect over there. So this will also causes the product failures towards here. The next thing is that the higher cost is also one of the causes make product failures. So the higher the cost is that we have to make use of a cost efficient over here. So if you are producing any product means we have to give the product to all the level of income group of peoples. So we have to make a concentration over a higher cost or a cost of a product here. So that the higher cost is an important thing involves here. The next one is pure timing. So we have to maintain a time over here. At what time we have to innovate our product, at what time we have to increase the price of a product, how we have to make a customer satisfaction over here. So everything we have to make a concentration over here. So that will leads to the that will make a, if we are not possible in making a timing in a perfect manner, that will lead to the product failure. The next thing is in competition. So the competition is one of the most important thing in the failure of a product. So each and everywhere we are having a competition over here for all the products. So we have to concentrate on our market product and we have to make use of it. So that will also make a product to make a failure. So we have to concentrate on our competitor, how they are making their product in a good way and how they are earning a profit and what are all the tricks they are making over there, how they are making a satisfaction of the customers and what are the innovation things they are maintaining. So we have to concentrate on over there. If we are not concentrating at it, if we are making a mistake over that, it will lead to a product failure. Next one is insufficient market effort. So insufficient market effort is all leads to an product failure. The next thing is inadequate sales promotion or a sales force. So if we are introducing any product in the market means the most important thing that one is an advertising. We have to make a promotion over our product, then only the product will reach us to the customer and we have to attract the customer to buy the product. If we are making a fails over there, that will lead to one product failure. The next one is weakness in distribution. Weakness in distribution is also one of the most important thing. That the weakness in distribution means we have to distribute a product at the correct time, in a correct place, in the correct way. So that is the distribution over here. So if we are making a delay over there means automatically the reflection leads to one product failure. So we have to concentrate on that thing and we have to make over it. So that is a failure, that will make a failure of the product. Next thing is price may be high. Here the prices will make a higher price. So higher price will leads to the product failures over here. Next thing is operation may not be within the control. So we have to make a control over here and we have to produce a product over here. It helps to prepare an effective product plan and chart styles, fashions, facts, etc. to improve the concept of and benefit of a product life cycle. The next thing is introducing a product from which there is a no demand. So we have to introduce or we have to select the product according to that and then we have to make a we have to create a demand over there for our product. If we are creating a demand over there, means automatically we can earn a profit over there, and that will not lead to a product failure over here. The next one is introducing a product for which there is no demand. That is one of the thing which leads to a product failure. The next thing is the product performance may not be a good. So the performance of the product must be a good. So what is the expectation of a customer? They have to fulfill the wants and needs of a customer over here. That will leads to the performance of a product. If the performance of the product is good, means automatically the customer will satisfy over that. The product failures will not appear over here. So the following steps may causes a product failures. The first one is that, once again I am telling that these are all the things which will make a general causes for a failure of the product. The first thing is inadequate market analysis. The next one is product defects, and then higher cost, poor timing and competitors, insufficient market effort, inadequate sales force and weakness in distribution. The prices may be high over here. The operational may be within the control of an organization or operational team. And the next thing is introducing the product for which there is no demand. The product performance may not be a good. So these are all the factors will leads to a product failures. So we have to concentrate on that. The many product enter into the market may not reaches the target of a sales or a product. Introducing a new substitute, technological innovation, it may reduce the span of the life of a product. So we have to concentrate on everything, and we have to increase the sales profit, and we have to substitute new things overhead, and also we have to update according to the technological innovation. It will lead to the span of the life of the product. If we are delaying that, or if we are not taking any steps over again, that automatically it leads to a product failures over here. So I hope that everyone understand that what are the general causes for a failures over here. So thank you.